Have you ever had anyone talk to you whilst they're looking at your forehead all the way up here? It's super weird and it happens to me all the time. And I figured out why. It's because of this here. I have a widow's peak just here, and my hair just naturally wants to part. Like, it's so easy for me just to do like a center parting. So even when I comb my hair back, it just wants to separate there. So it looks like I have a gap or almost like a balding patch there actually. So I have a resolution. It is this. Let me show you what this is. So this is got a little sponge in the bottom and it's got like a eyeshadow thing in the top. So I'm just going to go ahead, pop that in there and watch this magic. Oh, sorry. Watch this magic. Like so. And there you go. It's about covered it. I could add a little bit more, I guess. Just a tiny bit there. So it stops people doing this to me and gets them to actually look at my eyes. And I just feel eye contact is just so important when communicating with people. I mean, trust me, I know I'm an optician.